You want to be a successful stock market investor, but are unsure if you know enough about the financial markets. You have difficulty finding valuable information given the sheer volume of data, recommendations, and stock tips. This leads to many investors buying stocks with only mediocre growth potential. That's the problem. There are too many stocks whose earnings are not worth the time and resources you spend on them, or stocks that will lose value. EPSMomentum focuses on high earnings growth stocks, often showing a strong probability of rallying for weeks, months, or years. Derived from product lifecycle acceleration in the company, EPSMomentum calculates the momentum score based on earnings, revenue, and growth. When an EM score is higher than 20, you will find a true earnings and revenue breakout stock. Earning momentum is based on real past data from the company, not someone's opinion, estimates, or conjecture. Then pick the right time by considering the short-term bias and the stock's ability to outperform the market. You've found an opportune moment when all three timing indicators are above 0. Quarterly earnings releases provide fresh opportunities to assess company performance. Our unique post-earnings announcement drift, or PEAD forecast from EPSMomentum, is a data-driven analytic that projects a stock's potential future price between earnings periods. Combined with the additional tools we provide, EPSMomentum is one of the most powerful stock screening tools available to get the right answer quickly and accurately. Markets change constantly. Companies report quarterly. Equip yourself to navigate the market successfully. Don't forget to be diligent and do your own research too. EPSMomentum. Screen, analyze, decide.